All right, so I'm going to show you how to fill out this cost analysis for your charms in 4 different materials. So you can do it for PLA, ABS, PETG, and nylon. So the first thing we want to do is go to Amazon, and you want to search for the PLA filament 1 kilogram. And the brand that we usually use is the Overture, and that's $25.99. So I'm going to go over to my cost analysis and put $25.99. Cost per 1 gram for your filament. So you're going to take you're going to take the previous, so you're going to click on that and divide by 1,000. There's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. Okay, next, your design cost, price per hour. So how much are you charging for per hour? I'm going to charge 50 for my time. Hours spent designing, and actually only took me about 30 minutes, so out of 60, because everything is in hours. Volume. So to get volume, you're going to have to go back to Onshape, go to the lower right hand display mass property, parts to measure. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to let me know the volume is 0.148. So I'm going to go to my cost analysis, 0.148. And then time to print in hours, so that is with your slicer. So we're using the Creality Ender 3 Pro. I uploaded my charm. I'm going to slice it, and it's going to give me 26 minutes, and the mass is 3 grams when I hover over the eye. So 26 minutes. That's here, 26 minutes. So I'm going to put 26 divided by 60, and the density was 3 grams. Okay. Oh wait, that's right. 26 divided by 60. That doesn't look right. Oh yeah, that is right. It's less than half. Okay, production cost price per hour. That is going to be the same for everybody. So it's going to be 80 cents. Total cost per part. Okay, so this is where we're going to go back to our formula right here, and it says take the y variable, the y times x. I believe the y was design cost. So you're going to take your design cost, which is this, multiply it with the hours spent, right? So that's how much you get paid, plus, so let's go back here and check, plus the filament cost per 1 gram. So the filament cost per 1 gram is this right here, times, let's see, D and V, so density and volume. So density, where's density? Density times the volume, which is V. And then plus, I believe it should be production cost times the time it takes to print it. So production cost is P times T, which is time to print in hours. Okay, so I'm going to hit enter. It's going to cost $25.36 per part to create for every customer. So to get the total cost per 100 parts, I'm going to put equals. I'm going to take the cost per part, and I'm going to multiply it by 100. Okay. So 100 parts, it's going to be $2,535. Suggested retail price. So it costs you about $25 with time, labor, parts, and everything. How much do you want to sell it for? So let's say you want to sell it for $35. So let's say you want to sell it for $35. So 100 parts is going to be equals this number times 35. Oh no, sorry, times 100. So 35,000, right? So you want to see how much money are you making profit per part. So I'm going to subtract the suggested retail. So equals this. Take away your total cost per part. Okay, so your profit is $9.64. Profit per 100 parts. So I'm going to hit equals this number times 100, because it's, like to think big. So that's your profit per 100 part, and the percent of profit per part. So this right here is you're going to take the profit, and then I believe divide by the total cost per 100 part, and it should give you, so you would get a profit per part, or all the parts will be 38.02%. So you're going to do the same for ABS, PETG, and nylon. And when you're done with that, answer the conclusion questions and you are all set.